So this euro pound analysis for Tuesday 12th of June. Now let's just have a look at where prices may likely go. So previously we had prices stalling around that 88.40. We've had prices come down below the 87.95. We've posted a lower low from that level, finding support around the 400 period moving average. We've then had a test of that 87.95 again. We did see further sell side momentum, and we've now had prices test the 87.95 for at least a third consecutive time. Here we've had a brief pullback, strong buy side momentum take us through the 87.95, which has been problematic. We've seen prices, well, for bulls anyway, problematic for bulls, and from which we have seen prices progress here to the upside towards that 88.20. Trade slightly above the 88.20 all the way up towards that 88.30, from which we have seen a sell side momentum come back into the market. But we've not seen decisive sell side momentum, even though price has progressed to the downside. There's a degree of indecisiveness here. We have a series of bullish candles punctuating the trend to the downside, from which we have found support again. Well, we previously found resistance around 87.95. Now we appear to have found support around 87.95. So we do see points of further upwards price progression here on the euro pound. And so from there, we are seeing prices head towards 88.20. So we'll see if prices do encounter resistance in around that 88.30. That appears to be the level at the moment. We don't appear to be holding resistance in around 88.20. So we'll see our price direct towards 88.30, where we will see that sell side momentum take us through the 88.20, back down towards 87.95, or if there is sufficient volatility to the downside, take us down towards 87.83, or possibly even down towards 87.60, or the more important level of all, beyond the 87.83, is a move down towards 87.50. Previously we found support around 87.60, but the level that we will be looking at will be moved down towards 87.50. Now let's just have a look. Prices may head if we break and hold above that 88.30 level. So if we can break and hold above 88.30, we're looking for a move up towards that 88.51. Very strong major level marked out here in red, and if we can break and hold above that level, the very next level that we are looking at is a move up towards that 88.74. What we'll do now is we'll have a brief look here at the daily chart to see how prices are developing here on the euro pound. We try to get the scale on here correct. And as we can see here, we have our lows, we have relatively higher lows. We've had price progression upside, we've had a breakdown in price, but we've gone into this upwards, somewhat upwards consolidation here. Even though we have not seen a bit of a trend, this move to the upside has been punctuated by these bearish candles, but nonetheless, it does appear to be a bias to the long side, and that's pretty much what we have seen. We do have to be aware of these very large wicks now. So we have a rejection of the 200 period moving average in a daily chart a couple of days ago, and more recently yesterday we did have another rejection of that 200 period moving average from a daily chart. So that 200 period moving average is proving to be a dynamic resistance here on the euro pound, so we do have to be aware of it going forward today and in the coming days. But if we do break above it, we've identified levels that we are looking at. And again, I wouldn't anticipate price breaking beyond 88.74, but if we did move up towards 89.14, would possibly be the very next level that we are looking to encounter some possible resistance here on the euro pound. And with that said, that wraps up the euro pound analysis. Thanks for watching.